In this video, I'll show you how to redeem a free Whataburger. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so redeeming a free Whataburger typically involves participating in a promotion or using a coupon. So I've outlined a step-by-step guide to help you redeem a free Whataburger. So the first thing you want to do is look for any current promotions or offers that provide a free Whataburger. These can be found on Whataburger's official website, social media pages, or through email newsletters if you signed up to them. And the second way is to install the Whataburger app from the App Store or your Google Play Store on your smartphone. Then you want to create or log into the app. And now to earn rewards, so some promotions might require you to make a certain number of purchases or spend a specific amount to earn a free Whataburger, and you can track your progress inside the app as well. And now you can check for coupons itself. So occasionally Whataburger may offer coupons for a free burger. These can be found in the app, on the website, or via promotional emails. And you can also check Google for typing in free Whataburger coupons, etc., and just check out a few third-party sites like worththepen, don'tpayfull.com, etc. And now, if you want to redeem through the app, so open up the Whataburger app and go to rewards or offers section. Select the offer for the free Whataburger and follow the instructions to redeem it. You may need to add the item to your order and apply the coupon at checkout. And now if you want to do this in store, so if you have a physical coupon or code for a free Whataburger, just go ahead and visit a Whataburger location near you and present the coupon or code to the cashier when placing your order. And some promotions may have specific redemption instructions, so make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully to ensure you meet all requirements. So following these steps, you should be able to redeem your free Whataburger easily. Enjoy your free meal.